Basically, last time we were in this house, Pratham and I had the biggest fight we've ever had. Like, I don't want to miss my flight home.
एक बात सुनो,
Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the baddest of them all? Can you guys guess where I am? Can you guys guess who I am with? Or should I show you? And we're at the Delhi airport because we're going.
I am too soon Taco Bell. तो अपना खोलेगी?
हाँ तो मैं पहले रिकॉर्ड कर लूँ. खोलेगी कैसे हम टाको बेल खरीदेंगे आगे जाके परिधि अगर मैं रिकॉर्ड ना करूँ तो.
Fair, sorry, thanks.
We are going to Mumbai, all of us, and just for some context, हम लोग सारे कॉलेज के मेरा ध्यान टाको पे है पूरा. हम लोग सारे कॉलेज के दोस्त we're all meeting after a year साथ में. And I think it's
Do
gonna
they know about the pact?
we have this pact that every year, at least New Year's पे हम सब लोगों को साथ होना ही है. That's what we're doing. We're flying down to Mumbai. Pratham's flying to Mumbai. Freya's coming from Gujarat and Sahil
We are coming from
Vadodara. Navi Mumbai.
Turin.
Oh yeah, she's coming. She's coming from Turin, Italy. Vadodara. Vadodara's in Gujarat, Paridhi, just because it's a small city. Anyway, so yeah. So now I'm gonna eat my taco and I'll see you guys later because I'm very hungry. I can't bother. हमने लिटरली हैट्रिक मार दी है. हमने पहले लिया टाको बेल से. वेट हमें कहाँ से नीचे जाना पड़ी थी? इधर से तो नहीं. आप छूती हैं. हम अब आगे से चल. ठीक है. पहले हमने टाको बेल से लिए टाको. उसके बाद हम गए कहाँ? KFC से फ्राइज लेने. Just to realize that पेरी पेरी नहीं है तो हमने मैकडोनल्ड्स गए पेरी पेरी लेने. And like I don't want to miss my flight of पेरी पेरी क्योंकि हमारी बोर्डिंग स्टार्ट हो चुकी है. हम बैठ के काफी देर हो गई है. 20 मिनट हो गए हमारी बोर्डिंग स्टार्ट हुए. We should run. Fuck, like after leaving my house at 5 a.m. this song is
Still fucking late.
yeah
Gossip शुरू हो गया था.
yeah. Our flight got delayed. हम फालतू में भाग रहे थे. So let me cook up.
Oh.
गन मचा दिया.
Yes. Look at crazy cooking skills.
नाक में भी चला गया.
और तूने पूरा नहीं डाला है?
रुक जा. We're at Sahil's place waiting for the lift. थक गए भाई बहुत गर्मी है मुंबई में.
Oh God, bro, I forgot.
I am so-
But like also I worked here, so I'm allowed to hit it.
We lived in Maharashtra for 3 years. Paridhi.
No, I worked
We are
in
allowed.
Bombay for a year. I'm allowed to hit.
Okay, Paridhi hates it because of how hot it is. And it's so I'm so sleepy. I didn't like I slept for 2 hours in the night. Paridhi didn't. So she had like a 15-minute nap.
I did. Did I sleep?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
उसके जैसे ही तू सोई वैसे ही लैंड हो गया.
Okay.
Anyway.
हालांकि मेरे को लगा मेरा फोन गिर रहा है, तेरा हाथ था. हाँ, मेरा हाथ क्यों पकड़ा है?
क्योंकि मेरा फोन गिर रहा था इसीलिए.
अच्छा, मैं अपना फोन पकड़
मैं कैसे हाथ पकड़ूंगी ऐसे
मैं भाई
लैंड होने वाले.
समझ नहीं आया मैं प्रियांशी का हाथ क्यों पकड़ा
I
है.
am not that affectionate. And also Pratham's waiting. Completely forgot about that.
Did you?
Just
Liar.
kidding. Just kidding. Just kidding. Who is it? Now hold my bag. Hey mom.
ये नहीं मिल लो कुछ नहीं बोलना है.
Hi. Hey. इधर आ.
Mama, please. Hello.
Hello. Mic testing. Okay now.
That's why people say you're uninterested in her.
Yeah, Paridhi Singh. That's why people say you're uninterested in now.
Uninterested in her vlog.
Yeah.
In her vlogging. Yeah.
Anyway, okay now let me tell you.
What?
Paridhi Singh वरना प्यांशी भाग जाएगी इस बारी.
Shut the fuck up.
Let me give some context for that. Pratham and I'll just little bit context, okay? Not a lot.
Yeah, I'm surprised yaar mera story time was this year.
Because
Don't put the mic down. Not on some fucking talk show. आप क्या कहना चाहते हैं?
basically last time we were in this house, Pratham and I had the biggest fight we've ever had, and he left me and went back to Pune. Huh? Why?
Left her with all her friends.
Not all. I don't give a fuck about all her friends. I mean, I do. By the way, no, but like, imagine like your boyfriend just leaves you. When a pretty girl beats you, it's a privilege. So I'll take up. I'll tell you.
Straight from the flight. You're not tired.
Anyway, listen to what happened. So Paridhi and I sat एक तो last row, ठीक है, थोड़ा सा decline किया. उतने में side में ना एक 18 साल का एक like I could tell that he's small, okay, like young. We sat and then there was this guy next to us and he looked nervous and then he looked at us and he was like, "Is this your first time?" I was like, "No." And then we asked him, "Is it your first time?" Like in
Be more specific. bro.
in the plane. And then I was like, "Yeah, no, it's not our first time." And we said, "Is it yours?" He was like, "Yeah." I was like nervous and he said, "Can you please tell me if like something happens or whatever?"
It was his first time on the
Yeah.
flight.
So Paidi said it's like a roller coaster. He said, I don't like roller coasters. Paidi said, no, it's very nice, the roller coasters. Have you been? And he's like, no. And so then 2-4 minute ka silence, and then he looks at me like this. Are you a YouTuber? And I'm like,
Are you an influencer?
no, YouTuber, he said, not influencer. And I'm like, yeah, you know me. And then he was like, yeah. And then I was like, you know me? And he was like, yeah, I watch your college videos. I said, okay. And then I said, Mo, he said, I watched your story time also. I said, oh, damn.
Yeah, I heard that. I think I've seen it. Yeah, you watched the series. Coffee.
The last time I got
Coffee cheers.
With me.
Ashtray बनानी है क्या कुछ?
But this is such yummy wine. Say hi to my vlog.
I will fuck off, Priyanshi.
Say hi.
Your vlog stinks and you're fat.
Why are you kissing him, Pratham? Hey guys, I realize I haven't spoken to you properly and I haven't given you any context of what is happening and how it's happening and whatever, where we're going. So we are currently, we're currently in Mumbai. We're here to celebrate New Year's and यहाँ से हम कहीं और जाएंगे. Any guesses in the comment section? So right now we are staying at this Airbnb in Bandra Kulra. क्या है? Just BKC. Okay. Don't mind my lisp. I'll give you a tour थोड़ी देर में. Usually whenever we come to I've been to Mumbai I think thrice or like 4 times I think till now. और हमेशा हम साहिल के घर रुके हैं. I think you already saw him अभी. The guy who was shitting on me, yeah. But it's just chill banter, so okay. You all don't need to hate him in the comments. But since इस बार हम 6 लोग हैं, तो हमने सोचा भाई उस इकलौते बंदे के घर पे कितना ही रह लेंगे. And plus we're old now and you know we all can like get apartment like B&Bs and stuff like that. So anyway, अभी तक कल New Year's है and we still don't know what we want to do. हमारा पहले प्लान था Bastion जाने का, but then somebody told me that इस बार काफ़ी घटिया crowd आ रहा है. So I'm like, the lighting sucks, like, and I can't really help it. Wait, well, I guess you guys will have to watch this. Anyway, so that, and today is 30th of December. We're gonna go out for dinner. अभी हमने थोड़ा सा pizza मंगवा लिया था. First we'll go to Sahil's place and we'll play some poker. If you guys have watched my college vlogs, you know we used to play poker every single day. Like जुआरी बस borderline जुआरी थे, बस पैसे नहीं थे, तो गरीब जुआरी समझ लो आप हमें. And now that we're earning, हम पहले लेते थे 150 रुपये का बाइन. अब बड़ी बात है, अब हम 200 रुपये का बाइन लेंगे. In the morning you must have seen that land होने के बाद ही we went to Sahil's place क्योंकि यहाँ पे हमारा अभी तक उस टाइम पे check-in शुरू नहीं हुआ था. And Elena was also here. She was here for some other party. She left today. But yeah, I'm like all of us got together after last time we got together was in Jan 2024. And 2026 is coming, so we're meeting after 2 years, and it literally feels like I met these guys yesterday because it's the same. When you live outside of your house and you make friends there, they're not your friends. They like become. Why am I being so emotional? But I thought I forgot my concealer. Anyway, so they like become your family essentially. They're not your friends anymore. So when like because obviously जब आप बाहर रहते हो, so you fall sick and like a lot of shit happens and you don't have your family. You don't have anybody but your friends. So these guys are like that for me and I'm sure I am like that for them also. And we're gonna go to a cafe. I wanted to go to Blondie because I saw a lot of people going there, but I'll probably take suggestion from you guys on Instagram. इतनी गंदी लाइट है, मुझे समझ भी नहीं आ रहा कि मेरा मेकअप ब्लेंड हो रहा है कि नहीं. Anyway, so that was the context I wanted to give you guys and I'll quickly change. Guess who just arrived? Of course you can come, bitch. You're gonna be in this throughout. Hey! The girl who catches strays for no reason on my channel.
For no reason, absolutely no reason.
Yeah, some people are like, Pianchi, you don't know, but Freya has feelings for Pratham.
Why? Please.
He could be the last man on earth and Freya become a lesbian. That's
No, for real.
yeah.
I would probably jump off cliff.
Anyway.
But we don't promote suicide on this channel.
Okay. Relax. But we don't promote anything. Actually, I wouldn't do anything. I would just sit in my room and think about what I did. And now finally Pratham also has a guy to hang out with because usually it's just me, Pratham, Paridi, and then he's always, you know, there. But since we like essentially like we all practically lived together, he doesn't really care. Like so Freya was also like, I don't count Pratham as a guy. He's just like, you know, an extension to Pianchi. Which is true. Like if you guys ever want like outfit जो आपको दिख रहा हो कि मेरे नए कपड़े हैं और फ्रॉम H&M Savannah, उससे ज़्यादा की मेरी औकात नहीं है. मैक्सिमम ज़ारा. Okay, now let's go out. This is such a girl room. Like, why am I stuck with Pratham? We hate him. I'm kidding. Hey, don't look at the smokes. But yeah, such a girl room. We don't promote anything on this channel. We promote being happy and healthy and yeah, eating a lot of Dominoes.
And yeah.
Yeah. Oh, I like your top, Heidi. Oh, it's Freya's. I like your top, Freya. Now let's go out and see what these guys are doing. Beta, it's time to get ready. Pui. You should go get ready more.
कुछ हो सके तो मेरे लिए करके देना.
Okay, now let me. Do you want me to speak in French?
Brian, आज से समझ
मजा नहीं आया तो
तुझे फ्रेंच क्यों सीखनी है? मैं फ्रेंच को छूती हूँ.
अबे क्योंकि रेज्यूमे में ऑलरेडी डाल दिया है बहुत साल पहले. अभी लव कर रही
I
है.
just want to learn because it's like sounds.
इसका resume बहुत सॉन्ग दे रहा है. अपने आप को प्रियांशी मेहरा hiring प्रियांशी मेहरा for प्रियांशी मेहरा's company Vestigia.
Yeah, it sounds very cunty. That's why.
Yeah, it does.
Let me introduce myself. Je m'appelle.
इतना तो हमें भी आता है.
वो थोड़ी की
अरे उसको बोलने दे. हाँ बोल.
अनगा सॉर्ट.
Je m'appelle Pianchi.
Same likewise.
Say it.
Je parle anglais et
I speak English and
français et hindi.
Hindi.
Je mange pizza. Je t'aime.
What is just them?
I love you.
Second sentence I love you.
Name is I like you, not love you.
Then what is love?
Jatem is I love you.
Te amo. No.
J'adore is I adore you.
Spanish, no?
So
J'adore. James is I like my life. And yes, now. I'm saying my life.
bro, you know what my mom did? अभी because of the story time सुना हमारे घर पे कोई आया था कहती चल पेंशन को स्टोरी सुना. What? तू ये बहुत अच्छी स्टोरी सुनाती है. इसके सारे फॉरवर्ड स्टोरी.
आज प्याज मिला मम्मी की हाथ की तो पता है.
I started telling her.
Stop talking.
I started telling the story.
भाई no wonder ये अकेले बैठ के रिकॉर्ड कर सकती है घंटे because she does not stop. कोई रोकने वाला ही नहीं है.
Yeah. बस
इसलिए इतना एडिट करना पड़ता है ना. 2 घंटे का फुटेज 10 मिनट का वीडियो.
स्टोरी टाइम नहीं है भाई का. बस बेटा बस.
Now you can wear Arabic also in your resume.
Very good.
Arabic.
Follow on. Arabic audience incoming. Follow on right now.
let's go. I'll see you guys when we're at Science Place now.
Yeah.
ऊपर से नहीं
incoming.
In 3, 2, 1, move. Turns out we are not going to Science Place, so we are playing. We are playing. So we're playing poker at the
Like
BNB only.
80.
And Freya got us these cards from Italy.
10 months.
Look at how pretty. They have like Da Vinci paintings on it.
ये इनो नहीं है.
did. Look what Paridi did.
ये इनो थोड़ी है.
Poker chips से.
पानी में नहीं
क्या
बनाया
है?
था.
ऊपर साहिल हंस रहा है मेरे ऊपर लॉक करते देख. पता नहीं थे. ये जो चुदक्कड़ अच्छे होते हैं ना उनको इतना
तू ना जो भी बकती है ये बंदी खसती जाती है.
Because she
You are the
understands.
problem. Freya encourages you.
No, she
She laughs
actually.
at everything. So प्यास ने I'm on a roll. All बकती you.
Because I understand everything she says.
Yeah, she has the same brain.
You
not
losers
feeding me.
don't.
Yeah, you all don't
Probably
have elite
sixes.
ball knowledge like us.
Exactly. Knowledge.
Knowledgeable है हम.
More than
I will win this game. मेरी बात सुनो.
सारे पैसे उड़ गए. All in.
इतनी गालियाँ मैंने कितने टाइम से नहीं सुनी. I feel so nice.
I'll show you guys my cards. ले माँ चोद गई. I'll show you my cards like this. Nobody can see. Oh fuck, anybody can see in the reflection. मैं ऐसे करके दिखाऊंगी, ठीक है?
प्रियांशी का
I was like ये मेरे को एक्स्ट्रा दिया.
यार तुम मुझे मेरे को नंगा कर लो बस. है सब प्रियांशी को लूटो. Shut the fuck up. Okay, what do you want to play first? Texas?
Yeah, first exercise.
हाँ this is.
Here's my cards.
उनको समझ आएगा.
Pratham, you saw my card. Promise.
Promise. So I want to play.
ओए.
Pratham, what do you have?
3, 4, 5.
Oh my god, even I had 4 pair. But you would have taken it because I didn't have 8.
Wait.
No, so what is this?
या तो मम्मी परिधि प्रिया की गांड मारेगी या परिधि मारेगी. बस 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 बस. Currently 12:30. Still we haven't reached the restaurant.
We are not reaching the restaurant now. Piyanshi ji
I'll steal a cycle.
जहाँ मर्जी आ जाओ.
best worst case scenario.
Best worst case scenario that I will cook. How is it a best case scenario for me? Nobody knows. There's no place open now. And it's 1 a.m. Guess who is stuck making food? Every time these bitches want to eat anything, I have to step up. I'm a mom. A single mom who works 2 jobs.
मैं बहुत ब्रश करवाती है, चुप कर, अगर काम नहीं करना तो चुप करके बैठ.
Morning, shirt tucked in, belt.
You enter and you find a boyfriend that comes with the house.
Me?
Yeah, you. Do you want the house tour? I can take you to the first, second, third floor. This is the balcony. It's pretty good. This house is spacious. When you move out, there's a TV. There's a common washroom. You guys must have seen my reels on Instagram here. This is how you know I'm here. You know, with the suction pad, section pad. This is the kitchen. Doodh bhi, we're leaving it for them. Lace, let's keep it. And this makhan also I'm leaving for them. Wi-Fi. Then you go ahead. You find one room in which Freya and Paidi stayed. And then this room where Pratham and I stayed. And this is the washroom of that room. And yeah, there's also a balcony there. But yeah, that's it.
It's aligned with the.
No, it's not. It's going that way.
Okay, Freya, no, everyone has OCD like that. No, go fix it.
Fix
No,
it,
but I
no.
don't know what kind of party people just sit.
Why are there
sit
just
in
two
like
random Christmas trees in the middle?
It's so far.
They're
It's
just
so
sitting
far.
in a U and they're just gonna stare at each
But
other.
there's that also, no?
Not even a you, that's the problem.
But look at how far it is. You can't even talk. You just scream. You just scream.
There's more chairs
I
there.
feel like
also,
it's like a.
मतलब the circle भी
It
होता
looks
ना,
like a ritual, you know, like they're all gathered around the
make more
Christmas
sense.
tree.
Hey, as you can see, we have already moved to another property. Earlier we were in BKC, now we're in Powai. If anybody, Powai or Powai, what is it? Whatever it is. Like, Pratham's taking a shower right now. I literally just took mine. So today is 31st, and our plan is that after, like, you know, we'll get ready right now, and we're going to this place called Sesame. Tal was pretty good. We ordered disposable towels because Pratham's a princess, okay? I don't mind, I can use Airbnb towels or whatever, but he's like, no. So we all ordered disposable towels. So he was just asking me how was the towel. Anyway, that's not the point. The point is that अब हम सोच रहे हैं कि हम जा रहे हैं this place Sesame for sushi and like just Asian food in general. भाई हम मतलब मैं 3 दिन से ढंग से सोई नहीं हूँ यार. Last night also like 30th को हम निकले. So 29th को my flight I had to leave at 5 a.m. So and I slept at 3. Like hardly 2.5 hours sleep I got. And then उसके बाद 30th night, which was yesterday, like last night, we came home at like 4 a.m. And then we slept by 4:30. And then I had to wake up by 9 o'clock because I wanted to make a reel of the Airbnb because it's like sort of in a collaboration. क्योंकि जब हम कल आए थे तब तक सारी sunlight हट गई थी and I wanted to take like really cute shots. So anyway, we're getting ready and हमारा रात का ही scene है. We're going to this place called Late Checkout. Apparently I have like we've just been hearing that it's really nice and I hope it is because it was like almost 6K per person, but it does have unlimited food and alcohol. But I don't drink, like मैं एक ड्रिंक से ज़्यादा की औकात रखती नहीं हूँ. नए साल की शुरुआत इससे होगी पैसे खर्च करने से. God, I am so sleepy, but I'm so looking forward to like eating. When I'm like sleepy, you know, I get mad. Like I get mad at everybody. Like I don't give a fuck if it's like my boyfriend, my parents, my friends. I do not care if I'm sleepy. And you are the reason why I haven't slept a lot, or it's with you. Mom called me and interrupted me, but anyway, I'm ready now. I have so much blindness, it's crazy.
It's like a very rich area, posh-ish. जब तेरे को बताया था तो तूने कभी देखा ही नहीं कभी.
Oh, not bad.
It's very nice. Even Sesame, like not Powai, Hira.
I didn't
Hira
know
Nandani is like.
where beautiful you meant it. I'm gonna give you guys a quick fit check before my cab leaves. My phone is. This is Pratham's. This is Lakshita's and these pants of H&M. Pratham and I are twinning.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want sushi and some noodles.
I want lots of food. How's
Why are
it?
you doubting?
Not bad. It's like a bong.
This is a pork dumpling, pork belly dumpling.
You wanna go see it once?
Go with it, yaar. He's just greedy. Don't say yes to him.
Had we bought it yesterday, no, it would have been worth it. We deserve it.
That's prawn tempura. What's that? Asparagus. श्रेया की शक्ल देख लो, पूरी asparagus में आंखें गड़ी हुई हैं.
देख ही नहीं रही है.
Cupped it up. How do I pick this पूरा.
I think sushi we might be now.
The wet sushi, I like prawn better.
I like
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's this. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the baddest of them all?
I'm not the mirror.
We are going to leave in a bit. I look like a... Stop it now! But this bra is making this look weird, but you know what? Fuck it. Sometimes I look at myself and I'm like, who's this dolly? I'm wearing these earrings. These are Paridis, by the way. This top is from H&M. And oops, these pants are also from H&M. This belt is Lakshada's. Lighting तो इतनी अच्छी, मेरा मन कर रहा है कि जैसे मैं तो 2-3 रील फिल्म कर लूँ. प्रथम कम है ना?
अबे यार.
मैं thumbnail. I want 1 lollipop.
Okay.
No, I want 2 lollipops.
Okay, I'll order it.
I want 3 lollipops.
Okay, I'll order it.
Lollipop, lollipop, lollipop.
Okay. Where is this going? Huh? Are you mad?
Fill my pockets.
With lollipop.
Nom nom nom.
What's wrong with you?
It's a song. It's a Neha Kakkar song.
Oh, Neha Kakkar.
Yeah.
Okay.
Fill my pockets. Nom nom. अच्छा वाला. I want 1 lollipop. I want 2.
You're gonna lyric prank me.
Yeah.
Huh?
You got ranked. I'll order. I will order 2. I will order 3. Fill your pockets. Okay, I will fill your pockets.
Okay, chal.
I'm gonna film a few reels and then I'll see you guys, okay? We've been ready for a while. Guess who's not ready? She be Ellen from inside. It's Freya. Pratham's to been ready since last hour and a half.
I've been ready for a good 15-20 minutes now. Moving around.
How come I was the first one to get ready?
Yes, missing out.
Yes,
some
my-
fun. Missing out.
From here first we'll go to
Just
Sahil's
are you
place,
ready for Sahil?
pre-game a
We will
little
run
bit
out now.
and then we'll go to that place. I don't really like clubbing, but because it's New Year's we're doing it. Because kuch to karenge. Ring which nug jede sawa lakh de, white gold di wangu, weenie which shanke. What does that mean?
Always add salt to your water while boiling pasta.
I'll give a quick check.
Let's go, guys. Everybody's so late. I'm the only one on time.
This biatch.
Be on time, guys.
How?
Hi, dog.
Check something.
Hi, vlog.
We're at 94.
Also 2 gin and tonic.
Oh, that's so cute. Oh my god, that's so cute.
We left the club and out of all the people who drank, let me show you who's the drunkest. Okay?
It's not me.
Passed out.
And Pranam.
I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Abey, it's not Susu. It's my drink. I swear.
This is what happens when you drink too much.
You shouldn't drink, guys.
Yeah, don't
Never.
drink, guys.
Yeah, that's sober.
Yeah, sober as hell.
Fucking Priya got a drink and then party can you have? Party can you have?
Listen, I am a responsible person. पर दीदी सो चुके हैं
उठ गई पहले तेरी बकवास सुन के
पार्टी में बहुत नाचोगे तो
Bye,
थक
Brad. Brad.
पार्टी करोगे तो थक जाओगे तो सोने का मन करेगा तो सो जाने का
Come. Sahil.
Get up.
Sahil, get the fuck up, bro. Come.
Sahil, get up.
Sahil, we're filming. Come. Sahil, come.
Pull him.
Sahil, come.
Both my bros are fucked.
I'm not fucked, okay, chill. I'm just taking you home.
It took us 7 minutes to get Sahil out of the cab.
I swear.
Bro cannot walk. उसको कुछ होश नहीं है. हंस रहा है. He's smiling.
जा मेरे दोस्त. मैं गाना. I swear I'd hold his hair up while he's puking, but there's no hair to fucking hold.
Fucking 1 burger, 1 wrap, 1 Mac pizza puff, and 1 cookie. All for herself, by the way.
All for herself?
Yeah, for y'all I've ordered separately.
Yeah, forget it.
Stop. Get out, Pratham. Please.
Sitting on a purse and all. यार घर वालों ने
It's
कुछ.
not Coach, no, fuck it.
अरे
What is this, huh? Tory Burch or something?
No, it's handmade Italian leather.
Sorry, late.
Shut up.
Nobody let him sleep.
How many fucks did you give about Sahil waking up?
अरे उठना लाइफ में तो उठना चाहिए. अरे यार उसको सोने दो. बेचारा काम इतना ज्यादा करता है.
He has a fun client meeting at 10 o'clock, bro.
Who the fuck works on first?
Yeah, I swear.
5:30. I mean, sorry, 4:30. Fuck.
Can you please scare me?
Can I please carry you? Pratham's been like fucking hitchkeying since last. He's been getting random hitchkeys for 15-20 minutes now. It's just not stopping. And there's a trick, okay? Like अगर किसी को भी हिचकी आ रही हो ना, प्रथम तेरे पीछे कुत्ता आ रहा है, साइड हो जा. अगर किसी को भी हिचकी आ रही हो तो स्केयर देम, लाइक से समथिंग, तेरे घर में आग लग गई, ठीक है, और चांस उसे शॉक होगा, उस शॉक से हिचकी चली जाती है. सच में इट्स ट्राइड एंड टेस्टेड. मैं बचपन से करती आ रही हूँ. Oh, look at this. This is the best party. We should have gone here only. Nice party. Okay, come, let's go, yaar. This is ours.
इमारत Avenue is not.
This is not ours.
Is that-
वो है हमारा सामने वाला. होठों पे लम्हा लम्हा है नाम तेरा. It's time to remove my makeup. Toothpaste, हाँ. It's in my big black bag. इसमें दे. It's in my big black cock drill. I remember I got it. डबल क्लेंजिंग इज इम्पोर्टेंट इवन इफ इट्स 5 AM in the morning. तो फिर 3 पैकेट मैं बना दूंगी. परिधि मैं बना दूंगी.
2 बना दिए.
Okay.
We are making Korean noodle.
What is it actually? Daat kanti only.
Dant kanti.
Daat kanti only. Use tea tree oil.
You tea tree oil doesn't work
I
like
got
that.
tea tree
जो भी
oil.
मम्मी बोल दे बस मान जाता है.
Why tea tree oil will actually work?
Oi, Pianchi, that's
Tea tree.
not nice.
Tea tree oil. Whoa. Priya? Paidi puked again. Can you please clean it? Why are you laughing? Why you are the one?
I did not. तो तब से मैं रिकॉर्ड कर रही हूँ बेंचो.
पर हम go get milk from the fridge.
Milk.
परिधि इतनी तेरे को मिर्ची वाला दे देती हूँ.
हाँ, please.
It's so much spicy stuff, भाई.
Who?
परिधि.
Eat spicy stuff.
Yeah, then let me wash the face.
Who is that? Priya?
और फिर तेरी गर्दन पे अभी भी वो लगा हुआ है. कि मैं don't tell me it was in your bag only, Priya. Yeah, it was in her bag. Good morning. नहीं मैं vlog से बात कर रही हूँ. Paidi is assuming that so basically you guys must have seen last night that Sahil was quite out of it.
Quite out of it.
And he's still out of it. Like we can't reach him, so we have to go to his place because we're checking out. तो हमें अपना सारा सामान लेके उसके घर जाना है to keep our stuff there. But he's not picking up, so we'll have to go and improvise. I'm eating what I got for Paidi last night. Why are you laughing? She told me to eat.
We left something for Sahil also. You think he's eaten?
I know Sahil's left that for us.
Mhm.
We had the weirdest dream last night. My mom was like,
That wasn't a dream. We have stage 1 broken into Sahil's house.
"Oh भाई साइड वाले आ जाएंगे." क्या होगा? साहिल. Yes. We broke into your house, Samai.
What is that?
Water.
I could hear the water outside.
So glad you opened. I had zero hope. I had zero hope.
You good, bro?
Your papers here.
Wait, for silence like that. Why is this odd? Salman Khan, I need to meet him. मैं vlog ले रही हूँ बस. We are tired. How about that? It's my first time at Veronica's. I've heard a lot. If it's not good, then we have to blame Pariti.
What? I had to blame for yesterday if there was any, but like.
It was fine yesterday.
Yes. That's just you. Yeah, but that's work you have. She's on vacation. Or work is more. Like, at that time, work is more.
A lot of them do.
Good job, good job, good job.
सुबह हो गई मामू. हैं?
Sorry.
हैं?